I just got my shipment from Bamboo Plants, which is a company really quite close to me and a company that really enjoys social media. So I thought I would make a little video of what comes in their product. So what I've ordered are 2 kiwis, one male because I already have a female, and one self-fertile. So the self-fertile one I actually think I'm going to plant right behind me here. It's a vine that needs quite a sturdy trellis and gets quite big, so I think it's probably going to take over the whole thing. But we'll see. So this is exciting. I haven't ordered from Bamboo Plants before. Lots of styrofoam. Don't love that. I don't love the styrofoam. Not very environmentally friendly. What to do when your plants arrive. Great. So unpack, water, mist the foliage, and then there's my receipt there. So it's always nice to have a little bit of a instruction manual. And then, oh, there we go. This one is the male. So hopefully this will be a pollinator for my female, and I'll get some kiwis maybe even this year. And this one is the self-fertile one, a Jenny kiwi plant. So the plants themselves look really good. They came in really nice condition. I'm excited to use them. I am quite disappointed by the styrofoam. Most plants that I order come with cardboard packaging or something that's either compostable or recyclable. And styrofoam peanuts are just not great for the environment. So that's my big criticism. Bamboo Plants, you want to change your packaging? Because otherwise, I really like your product and I'd love to keep supporting you. However your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener.